but I got the E-fans right behind me. Go, we dropped it off. Yes, sir, she's ready. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. I got fire content coming. At least I'm trying to get some fire content coming. But today we got a little mod on the step side thing. Today we're gonna be doing electric fans. That's right, E-fans. Got them all cleaned up. Got a new radiator as well. Got the 05 to 2013 style radiator. Some more of that sauce, that water wetter. Let's go ahead and start with that cold start. Get the hood opened up. Bam. Still pretty clean from the last time I detailed it. But yeah, that's the old setup right there. Big old fan shroud or radiator right there. So let's get it started. Alright, so the first step I gotta do is remove that drain plug from the radiator so I can let off all the coolant out. And then I can start removing hoses and clips and whatnot, and these bolts right here. So I got the radiator out. I figured I'd show you guys a before and after, or at least a comparison from the stock radiator to the new radiator. I did go with the 05 to 2013 radiator. It's an 1.25 inches thick, so you guys can see the difference here. So this is the original one. You guys can see it's a little thin. This is the new one, 1.25 inches from 2005 and newer. Everything's the same though. Everything fits the same. It's just thicker. But yeah, I got it out. That's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna leave this on right now until my boy calls me so we could get that off. Get the E-fans wired up to the PCM and then get it tuned. All right, so I'm all done with that radiator. I finished installing it now. Finished putting everything back together. There's not much for just hoses and bolts, and that's it because I didn't put the fan shroud back on because of the E-fans. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it sits right now. Put a zip tie right there so the hose is not hanging. That one's hanging. I mean, that one's pretty good right there. But yeah, that's it. The new radiator is in. Your original radiator actually bolts onto this. The 2006 and bigger one's gonna bolt onto these right here. So about to just put in the water wetter now, with some water in there to fill it up, and then call it good. That sauce, boy. If you know, you know. I'm just waiting for my boy to call me so we could go set up so we could go wire up the fans and retune the computer, and then we're gonna see how it drives. I'm trying to get it before and after for you guys, that way you guys can see how the truck pulls before the E-fans and after the E-fans. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey, so today, man, today's a very exciting day. Shit, I've been waiting for this day. My boy Peak Torque Innovations, you know, hit me up to go drop off my truck, go get the E-fans installed finally. So man, I'm excited, man. I've been trying to get this done for a while now. He's been very busy, you know, and I've been busy as hell too. So we haven't had a chance to get it done, but we're finally on our way. I'm about to go pick up my boy actually, because my boy actually got his truck done with the E-fans as well. So we're about to go pick his truck up, drop mine off, and then hey, don't mind my hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my Say So to Max shit, you know what I'm saying? Apple Music, wherever you want, look them up, Say So to Max show. I'm excited to get these E-fans done. I've been trying to get them done. You know, I hear a lot of good things about them. You know, I heard they hit, you know, a lot of low end torque that's freed up, so I can't wait to feel the difference once I'm done with those. And I'm also gonna make the engine bay look real nice. The electric fans on there, no more clutch fan. So it's gonna be a nice look on the engine bay too, you know, along with everything else that I've done to it. Alright, so we're finally here at my boy's house. We're about to get his truck, he's pulling it out. There it is. Woo-wee! Woo! My boy clean though. There we go, we dropped it off. Picked up my boy's truck now. About to go test her out on the freeway. He's in there working out. peppy, huh? Ooh, nigga, stop.
Oh.
Stop playing, nigga. That bitch is hauling, boy. We got that crackle pop tune shit, nigga. Listen to this thing. That little Mustang. It's an EcoBoost. That's tight, nigga. We just pulled up to pick up the step side with my boy. Yes, sir. She's ready. She's waiting to go tune right now, but it's all done. Sheesh. Check my boy out though. My boy looking clean. Sheesh. Pulled up at the gas station though with my boy. The E-fans right there. This one got him too. Sheesh. Stop playing. Okay. Want the gas off now? Nah. Little Dodge Ram. Okay. That's clean though. We don't want it.
Rams don't want it.
They don't want it. The Rams don't want it. These Rams don't want it. Ooh, look at that harness though. Clean. Clean. Yes, sir. I'm on my way back home now with my boy. We're picking up the trucks. Picking up my truck. Y'all hear that crack popple tune, whatever? That crack popple tune, whatever? Honk it off, wait. Huh? Yeah. What's going on YouTube? It's the next day now. I did wait for the next day so I could give you guys a little better video of the E-fans, and then also give you guys a little test drive during the day, because yesterday was nighttime with my boy when we came and picked it up. Well, yesterday was night. It was already pretty late when we picked it up with my boy, so it was kind of dark. You guys could barely see. Show you guys the E-fans. There they are. No more clutch fanboy. Yes, sir. I did go with a Nelson Performance harness for the E-fans. It already came loomed up and pretty much wired onto the PCM and wherever else it needs to go. I'm not sure. That's why I dropped it off to my boy. So that's the Nelson Performance harness right there going to the both of the fans. And it goes to the computer and it plugs into this one here. Yeah, that's it. There they are. Shout out my boy Pink Torque Innovations. Woo! You hear that crackle, that pop, snap, crackle, whatever the fuck that shit called is tuned in, man. I can't say it every single time, but yeah, my boy hooked me up with that tune though. Y'all hear that? Check it out. Here we go. That shit's fun as fuck. Check out these E-fans though, man. They make some power for sure. Y'all, these E-fans make a difference. Check this out. Yeah, boy. Sheesh. the win. I'm telling y'all, E-fans for the win. Y'all need them. If you ain't got them, get yourself some E-fans ASAP and get them tuned. You can get your E-fans, and if you don't get them tuned, you ain't gonna feel the biggest of difference. You'll feel a difference because the clutch fan's not there no more, but unless you get them E-fans tuned, you ain't gonna feel that difference. I'm telling you this right now. You get them E-fans tuned, yes, boy. Boy, damn, that shit fun as fuck. I did the E-fans, so just, you know, the cold air intake, long tubes, and the tune. And I wasn't tuned on the cold air, just tuned on long tubes, you know, but I had the cold air on there. Anyways, I did a pull at second gear at I think it was 3 or 3,500 RPM. So I'm about to do the same thing so you guys can see the difference of how fast the RPMs go up now. The RPMs go up hella faster now than it did when I was just tuned on the long tubes, and that's it, you know. But you guys will be able to see the difference. I'm gonna launch it at 3 grand in second gear. Second gear, 3,500. Look how fast these things are gonna go up. The RPMs are gonna go up. Ready? Difference of how fast the RPMs go before I did the E-fans and after the E-fans. The RPMs go up, you know, they go up hella fast. Like, it just revs up faster, you know. It speeds up faster pretty much. But yeah, you guys will be able to see the video. I did want to get that video for you guys so you guys can check it out. You know, you guys can see the before and after pull of the E-fans, because they make a difference, and the video is going to show you. Alright, so I figured I'd end the video with a little drift practice. So we're going to try to hit this turn sideways while I'm recording. That turn all the way. That was a little bouncy, but fuck, I can't believe I did it. Like, no power steering line, and I did that with no power steering. You hear me? You see this? I did it with no power steering. that shit. And I'm on 22. Stop playing with me. Come on. Sheesh. But that is gonna be the end of this video, though. Thank you guys for watching. Everybody that that's been tuning in. All the new people, all the old people. The OG people that have been sticking around since I first started my YouTube. And I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everyone. All the new people as well. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. More videos coming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All that, all that helps. If your boy's next to you and he's not subscribed, grab his phone and subscribe him to me. You feel me? We gotta keep it going. Let's get the subscribers up. Let's get the views up. So that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'll see you guys on the next one.